The Jamaica Federation of Corrections has added its voice to the discovery of two large holes at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston, which authorities believe were part of an escape plot by prisoners. Head of the Federation, Arlington Turner, has reignited the conversation about the building of a new prison. Details from TVJ's Anthony Lugg.
This is the escape tunnel discovered at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston on Friday. Our sources say one of the holes, which is about 4 feet deep, was dug near the base of the perimeter wall. Another hole is about 2 feet deep and appears to be the route used by the perpetrators to access the first hole. Officials say all inmates have been accounted for, and the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, has launched an investigation into the matter. DCS is also getting help from the Jamaica Defense Force and the police. For chairman of the Jamaica Federation of Corrections, Arlington Turner, the incident highlights the need for a new prison to be built.
The fact of the matter is, these prisons, Tower Street Adult Correctional Center and the St. Catherine District prisons, cannot be repaired anymore. And the inmates that we have in our care, I can tell you, their take is to get out. As the custodians on the ground, we are to ensure that they remain. But this is showing us that they are trying in every way possible to find their way out of these institutions. With a maximum security prison, a state-of-the-art maximum security prison, I can tell you this could not have happened. This only can happen in an institution that is outdated, and we need new facilities.
In the meantime, State Minister in the Ministry of National Security, Pernell Charles Jr., says the government will not be ruling out overseas assistance in probing the incident.
As it regards to the need for external or other help, that's something which the members of the JDF, JSF, and DCS who are leading the operations would have to decide. So I leave that to the operational heads. What I do know is that if it is that we need any assistance, we have such strong partnerships with our international stakeholders that I don't see that being a difficulty.
Deputy Commissioner of the Department of Correctional Services, Joyce Stone, has commended the staff of the DCF for discovering the tunnels, pointing out that there are lessons to be learned. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.